I got mixtape money in my sneakers, music's tranquility coming through your speakers. I'm a free agent, motherfucker feature. Me and Bam steam and take tracks to the cleaners. Yeah, my life is what you would probably wanna live. And you shopping for some retros that I was in. Bin Laden been blowing up, terrorist flow going over niggas' heads, new Arab rim. It ain't fair for the rest of these noobs. The under-talented artists couldn't step to these shoes. Untaxed money, I ain't testing these dudes. Flow cool like the AC unit in my room. In my school show love when I'm playing, couple haters, but no time for these 11th graders. And my niggas don't need to ask for favors, couple fakers on my slate, but my cake outweighs it. And they saying it's amazing how I went from my own home studio to Pro Tools kits and the Dro Doob hit. While I'm swinging the ride, I've got love in the areas that I don't reside. Been hustling my ass off, make ends meet. You gotta see success in me. And the haters show envy when he reckon like, give me everything that you got, then I take more with me. And the flow gets colder as the beats come, so you don't gotta ask where he from, I'm from the tone.